Okay, guys, welcome. Apple is being rumored, at least not rumored, but I think they're already working on a very powerful PC chip that will debut in a year from now. Not just a year from a few months from now, because they're already working on it. So they are trying to work on a 32 core chip for their MacBook PCs, all their MacBooks like your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro. They are trying to put a lot of CPU power in a very tiny device. You understand? So pretty much right now, if you get their regular notebook, you will only be graded with a reasonable, pretty much just if you look at your notebook, you will only uh you will only be able to get a very good amount of power out of what they are selling. So for now, this is not going to be the best CPU that they're going to launch. So this is pretty much just going to be a way for you to maximize the full potential of your PC. So I think this is a really good step in the right direction. It's not a bad move overall. So uh, honestly, we shall see how well this 32 core high performance chip would perform. They are upgraded now to their own chip, their M1 chip. So all these things will be built under their own chip. So you're gonna get all these upgrade on their own chip. They even want to work to release their 64 processor, and as well as their flagship 128 processor down the line. Then, well, we shall see. It depends on implementation. Implementation matters a lot. But whatever the case is, whatever comes out first, I'll always follow this the report to see whether they are making progress and when they will launch, and if anybody is interested in getting this. Okay, guys, this is it. Please subscribe to our channel, do like our content, and follow us on social media, and I'm going to see you guys next time.